Hello friends, today we are going to see how to create a simple EC2 instance. EC2 in the sense Elastic Compute Cloud instance or virtual machine with the help of the Amazon Web Services. We'll see that one simple code will we apply on the EC2 instance. Okay. So here first thing what you will do is that once you log in with your account. First, if you are the students, then select the free tier account only. Okay, so how you can select that account? Go into the, okay, you can browse it here and you type AWS free tier account. Okay, so get a free tier account like that. Okay, so create a free account. So you need a email ID for the same. Okay, because I already log in with my account, so it is not giving me, but you can create a simple free tier account. Okay, you need some credentials. Using that you can select an account, then it will ask you what is the purpose of the account. Then you can select the personal purpose. Don't select the business, otherwise it will be the paid, it will come under the heading of the paid. So like that I have created the account. I have some kind of credentials through which this account is being created. Now this is our home screen. You see, now we are going to create an EC2 instance, that is Elastic Compute Cloud or virtual machine. Here if you see that there is no instance which is running. Okay, so then click on the instance. Okay, now here you see that all the details. I have already created some virtual machines with my name. So here launch instance, click on the launch instance. Okay, here give the name of the instance. Suppose I give the Amazon 01. This is my instance name which I want to create. Then application and OS images. Okay, so this is what Amazon machine image. So Amazon gives you to create a virtual machine of having the different flavors of the operating systems. It can be a Linux, it can be a Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, many things. You can have your specific version of OS if you have created in Linux or something. So you can create it, my AMI. But for a quick start, we are selecting this famous flavors of the operating system. So we are going to create the Linux virtual machine. Uh, Now here you see this over here, Amazon Linux 2023 kernel. If you sometimes if you are getting here 2022, you can select that, that is the base. Sometimes in free version it gives an error for the 2023. If you are getting 2022 version of the Linux, then you select it. So I am selecting the Linux 2023 here. So what it gives you the here, one second. And then you select the instance type. Once you selected this, you can take the Microsoft also, no problem. You can select the Mac OS also. Okay, but it is going there. Okay, so I am selecting the Linux environment OS. Okay, so it is appearing. Then now there is an instance type. So this is t2.micro. This is a free tier instance type. Always select the free tier instance eligibility. If you see here, okay, there are various instance types are there. T2.nano is also there. Okay, then there is a t2.micro, t2.small is also there. Okay, what is t2.small in this? If you browse, see t2.micro, t2.small. What is the configuration? It is a 1 CPU, 2 GB memory. You are getting the 2 GB memory here. Okay, some higher. Here we are getting the 1 GB, but trial and error we are using the free tier account. So select that one by default. Key pair. Okay, nowadays key pair, it is a private key which is created. If you want to connect with the putty or the client, this is a facility is given to connect your machine with the putty or the client. So I am creating the new key for this. Now I'll give the name of the key and key 1 1. Okay, this is my key name, suppose RSA. It is .pm extension. Create the key pair here. It will get downloaded. If you see here, it will download amol key 11.pm. So it is being required if you want to connect with the putty or the client directly. Now network settings, don't make a changes, make it as by default. Okay, now here we will create a new security group called the launch wizard 12. Okay, now this is a by default SSH traffic from, you will keep as it is. It will connect with your client. For connection it is required. Then out of this two, there is one traffic connection, HTTPS and HTTP. Okay, so secure and plain. So just I'll select that HTTP. I don't want the secure connection with the internet. Then here, if you see this configuration, okay, this is your secondary storage of virtual machine, whatever you required. It is giving the 8 GB of the storage. Okay, so if you select this, there are a lot of, but keep this by default, because otherwise if you take the somewhere advanced, okay, then that are all paid ones. Okay, it will, you will get a bill. Okay, so keep the, see, it is in free tier eligible customers can get up to the 30 GB of EBS general purpose. Okay, so more than that if you select, you will get a bill for that sake. Now here, fine, so this is simple. We have made all the connections. Okay, nothing is remained here. Then simply click launch instance. Okay, successfully initialize the launch of the instance. Click over here. Okay, you will see the instance summary. Okay, this is amol01 is the instance name of the instance name. IP6 address is not, it is IPv4 address. Instance state is running. Okay, so you will can see that all the details of your about your instance type also it has been given, which has given you the 1 GB of RAM. Okay, again there are, if you see that there is also 8 GB of the storage also given. So this is, it will give you the all details about your instance. Then connect with the instance here, insert instance. Then simply say connect. Okay, it will show the IP addresses. So it is establishing the connection. Okay, so this is the code already being there. I have added. So this is what a Linux environment is being created for you. Virtual machine is created for this. Now you can type in command over here. So what I'll do, I'll make a directory here. mkdir. Okay. So just I'll list the directories. So the directory is being created. Okay. Now I will log out. Okay. So this is way you can create a simple instance. So once you create, close it from here. But now see, instance is running. Very important thing you have to do is that, okay, go to the instances. Okay, then you see there instances. Go to the instances. It will show you the instance is running. See, Amol 01 it is running. It means it is your instance is running. Though you close from here, you have to delete. You have to terminate this instance. If you won't terminate the instance, you will get the bill. Okay, so click on to terminate the instance. Click here, instance state, terminate the instance. Okay, it will terminate the instance. Once instance is terminated, what is the instance name? See, it will show you that terminating. Go to the instance and check whether it is a this Amol 01 is being instance is being terminated or not. Okay, we'll see this. Refresh it and confirm whether that instance is terminated or not. Successfully termination, deletion of the instance. Okay, so still it is not being updated. It will update. Okay, so you will appear here the status instance is terminated. Okay, so like that you simply create the instance and see that how the instance looks like connection. Okay, so thank you very much. If you like this video, then subscribe. Okay, so this is Professor Amol Dumal from Shan Anchor, Kochi Engineering College, Chembur. Thank you very much.